We just picked up all this free stuff. Some of it's junk, but we got an electric go-kart. Got some garden totes that we're gonna get rid of. Got this flexible conduit. Got some treated wood, got a free bike, John Deere leaf picker upper thing. And the best part is this Coleman generator. So 5,000 watts. And the guy who I picked all this stuff up from, he said I had to take all the junk. Got a little garden can. Some people are skeptical. We've had a lot of people saying like, oh, all the free stuff you pick up is fake. But the reason this was free, the recoil string broke. So he said last time he had it running, it was running fantastic, but went to start it, it broke, and so he bought a new generator on Amazon. I don't know if you believe that story or not. A lot of people on the internet have been questioning all of our freebies. But some people just, they want stuff gone. That's how we get stuff for free. So, I don't know. What do you think, bud? You think we're legit or are we faking all this stuff?
Legit.
We're legit, right?
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about. Whoa, let's try that again. Oh, there we go. That was solid. All right, so I'm going to get all this junk out of here. I'm going to maybe keep the bike for one of my girls. The John Deere leaf thing, we might scrap that. We're gonna trash these. We're gonna see what we can do. We got a scooter, we got some scrap, a sink, everything, and the kitchen sink. You know what I'm saying? You ever heard that before?
Nah.
All right, let's get all this junk out of here and assess this generator. Nice work.
Is there one on the bottom?
There's that one.
Did I get it right? There.
There you go. Good job. Nice work, buddy.
Let me just go.
So yeah, so actually what we'll do, so this piece is broken. Let's see if we can find a handle in the pole barn somewhere. I bet you we have some extra parts, and we'll see if we can fix that, see if it works, and then if we can't, then we'll do the drill method on the generator. This is our parts mower, so we're gonna steal this off and tie this off so that it doesn't go in. Knot that up. So this is still available for us when we need it, right? And we'll throw this on. Yep. Let's put this guy through here. Okay. And then let's see. It's still kind of retracting, so in theory should be able to just push this guy through. Okay, here we go.
Did you fix it?
We're getting close. All right, so I'm gonna put the needle nose in there. Aha, there we go, we got it. Let's go. So we'll tie a knot there, my dude. We'll do a second one just for good measure.
For good luck.
For good luck. Okay, tie that off. That might have been overkill. So now we got to get that to go back in there. Okay, perfect. And then for all the OCD people out there, including myself, we'll cut that off. That'll still bother me a little bit. All right. Let's see.
Can I try?
That may, yeah, try it. Stand over there, pull on it a little bit. All right, does it seem to be retracting okay?
It's easy.
All right.
I just let go.
It's not. All right, let's let that back in a little bit. Let's see how it does
With the actual engine thing again.
when we put this thing back on. You think this thing's gonna start right up?
Yeah.
Really? It's been sitting for like a year. The recoil isn't working the best. Second pull. So our recoil still has some slack in the rope. And so there's an easy way to fix this. All you have to do is find your little notch here, okay? And then pull the rope out. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna feed this excess slack in, okay? And you're gonna try to turn this counterclockwise and see if you can get it to rewind. So move it counterclockwise and then let it go. And that should fix it. So what this little notch does is it lets you move the rope around, and then you're able to move it counterclockwise, and then you should be able to pull on your recoil, and then it should be good to go. Today's fix was pretty easy, just a little recoil repair, and this thing is purring like a kitten, ready to go. If you enjoyed this video, check out another video on a free generator we just fixed that was really rough. Thanks again for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next one.